So yeah, these LED light bulbs that they came out with a few years ago, they said they're so much better and they last, what was it, 10 to 20 times longer than a regular light bulb. No, they don't. This is like the, I don't know, sixth one, seventh one in 3 years that I've had to replace. It seems like twice a year I have to replace these bulbs. I only have like 10 of these in the whole house, and I've already had to replace 6 of them. No, I don't think they're any better than a regular light bulb. Plus, I mean, yeah, they maybe save some, energy cost is probably pretty good. But if you have to keep buying them, they're not cost effective, that's for sure. Thank goodness I've not had to buy any of these. My power company gave me a kit for free with a bunch of these in it, but I'm not gonna buy them. I'm just not. When I can get a box of 4 for a couple bucks or $1, I'll pay the extra in energy costs. I don't have my lights on all day anyway, so these LED lights, they can kiss that. I hate them. See how great it works? And a closer inspection says 25,000 hours. These lights aren't on that much. They probably only have 100 hours on them, not even. Junk. I have several of these different types and they all burn out within 6 to 8 months. Haven't found a good one yet. So if you could, go ahead and tell me about your experiences with these LED lights compared to the old-fashioned filament light bulbs. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.